sounds. They are all around us, whether it be the breeze going through the air, the fish swimming in the river, or even leaves crunching in my hands. But what makes these sounds? Who makes these sounds? That's why we talked to Foley expert Oliver to see what it takes for movies to sound and look amazing.
Do I have to speak into the mic like this?
No, just talk. Just don't do that.
Sorry, I don't know how these things work.
All right, now what was your first role as a Foley artist?
Well, Harry.
It's Harold.
Okay, Harold. I was a baby, and my mommy saw an ad in the paper that said they needed cute baby sounds for a cute baby. And she knew that I was the right one. People really gravitated towards my performance, and that made me a happy baby. So I stuck with it, and honestly, it's been pretty great so far. You know, I love the work that I've been doing, and I've been doing it for a long time, and I think it's really starting to pay off. I mean, some of these I'm really proud of. You know, hasn't always been easy though. Sometimes I have to leave the comfort of my studio and go out there and get some sounds in the wild. I think that people get it. I mean, it's an art, and I know people see it as an integral part of the movie making industry. They really respect the art. Turn my headphones up. All right, back down. Too loud. Too quiet. Up, up, down, up. Just go all the way up as high it goes. Ah, too loud, too loud. Well, now that you've seen my methods, I need to know what you think. Give me your honest opinion. Do you love the Foley art just as much as all the rest?
Okay, I honestly, what the f***?